Hi everyone, welcome to this walkthrough of MyEmail Verifier, a dedicated service for email validation and list cleaning. If you struggled with high bounce rates, undeliverable emails, or spam issues, MyEmail Verifier offers a solid solution for managing email lists effectively. I'll guide you through its key features, pros and cons, and pricing, so you can decide if it's right for your email marketing needs. MyEmail Verifier's core function is to help businesses and marketers verify email addresses. This service ensures your emails land in active inboxes by cleaning up lists and filtering out invalid, duplicate, or harmful addresses. By using MyEmail Verifier, you can reduce your bounce rate, increase deliverability, and protect your email sender reputation. For those sending out newsletters, marketing emails, or transactional messages, it's a practical tool for improving overall engagement. One of the standout features of MyEmail Verifier is its high accuracy. It uses multiple verification checks, such as syntax, domain validation, and disposable email detection. This means you're not just removing inactive emails, but also catching harmful or temporary addresses that could damage your sender score. Their platform also offers bulk email verification, which is great for businesses managing extensive email lists. Another big plus is MyEmail Verifier's easy-to-use interface. You could upload your list in just a few clicks, and the results are returned quickly, with clear reporting on each address status. They offer multiple integrations with popular email marketing platforms, making it easy to sync verified data with your current marketing tools. Now, let's talk about Clean Email briefly. While MyEmail Verifier does wonders for list verification, Clean Email is an email management solution that complements it by helping you organize, delete, and manage emails in bulk. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description for more about Clean Email, the best email manager out there. There are some limitations to MyEmail Verifier. Currently, they lack features like real-time verification or the ability to verify emails directly from a CRM in some cases. For users looking for real-time verification to catch invalid emails as they come in, this might be a drawback. Additionally, the service is best for businesses with a specific need for list cleaning, so if you're a solo professional with a smaller list, this may be more than you need. Pricing is flexible, with pay-as-you-go or subscription plans based on your verification needs. You only pay for what you use, making it scalable for small and large businesses alike. Overall, MyEmail Verifier provides value by enhancing email marketing effectiveness through accuracy and bulk capabilities. If you want to improve your email campaign performance, be sure to click on the link in the description for more details and to get started with MyEmail Verifier. Finally, if you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content on digital marketing tools.